first day of the IWF with Don Casebier, who's been doing three-dimensional laminations since
1989.
1989. When dinosaurs roamed the earth, he was doing 3DL. In all of that time, you've really moved away from the white kitchen cabinet doors that everyone started with.
Yeah, we actually started out wanting to press veneer for stile and rail doors. That was really the reason that I was looking for a press. Old growth lumber was going away, or at least the cost was going higher and higher, so we wanted to put veneer on raised panels. And when we visited Bamhoner, they had took us and showed us that you could press plastic. Said, I don't want to press plastic. I'm a wood guy. I'm not interested in plastic. So, but you know, the next thing we know, we're making kitchen cabinet doors. Bought a little router and started making cabinet doors. And but we've always been trying to be customer focused. So when someone asks us to do something different, then we moved in that direction.
What is the most different project that you took on?
Well, for us, because we manufacture components, it's a lot of things come to mind that I can't talk about because we're manufacturing for other companies and it's their products. But one of the funnest projects I can talk about now is we manufactured Roland pianos, black high gloss Roland pianos, and those digital upright pianos, black high gloss, cherry high gloss, white high gloss. We use the Riken films, fantastic. And initially, the Japanese company Roland, which is based in Hamamatsu or Yamaha, and they compete. They didn't want to represent the product as the quality that they do in painting, but to make the parts for an upright piano was the cost that they were producing was $1,500 for the parts. We were able to make the parts, not just paint them. Their cost to paint was $1,500. We were able to make the parts and make them black high gloss for $500 a unit.
Wow!
So we saved them $1,000 on then also, but we made the parts. They didn't have to CNC make the parts. So that began about a 7-year run of pianos.
I had no idea that you also did. I mean, I knew about your wall panels, and you do interesting stuff, but I had no idea you actually did pianos.
So, and that the fun story was they wouldn't import them into Japan. We shipped them to Europe, and we did them in the U.S. So the film company rented space in Roland's corporate building and displayed one of the American-made Roland pianos in Japan because they wouldn't sell them there. Just to kind of prove the point that, guess what, it really does look good, doesn't it? So, but anyway, it was that was a fun project.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing your story with us. We wish you every success. It's great to see you. Take care.